If you're on the hunt for a standout smartphone to spotlight on YouTube, the upcoming Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range releases of 2025. With a suite of rumored upgrades that blur the line between mid-tier and flagship, this device promises features that grab attention and make for a compelling video script. First up, performance. Rumors suggest that the Note 15 Pro will feature a high-end chipset, possibly from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S family, bringing major speed and efficiency gains. For creators making YouTube content, that means smoother video editing, faster app switching, and better gaming performance to highlight in comparisons. The display also looks top-tier for the price. Leaks point to a curved OLED with around 1.5K resolution and very slim bezels. Cinematic visuals, great for showing off UI animations, side-by-sides, and, is it worth it? Shots. Camera capabilities appear to be another major focal point. While full details aren't confirmed, sources point to a 50 megapixels main sensor paired with a 50 megapixels telephoto lens in at least one version and a 7000 mAh class battery. What this means for a YouTube review is opportunity. Use camera samples, low-light tests, zoom comparisons, and battery endurance tests. These are the kind of visual segments that viewers pause and replay. Battery life itself looks like a standout. Reports mention up to 7000 mAh capacity while maintaining a slim and sleek profile. That translates into 2 days of use type messaging, which is a strong headline for a YouTube title or thumbnail. Can it last 48 hours? We tested. Fast charging support is also hinted 90W+ in some leaks. You can film the charging curve in real time, show how many minutes it takes to hit 0 to 100% battery, and that adds a dynamic visual element to your video. Design and build quality appear refined. Thinner bezels, a possibly curved back, and premium touches appear in hands-on leaks. On camera, you can show up close the finish, how it feels in hand, comparisons with previous models or competitors, even record someone using it one-handed to highlight ergonomics. Where the YouTube narrative comes alive is tying all of these specs into relatable user scenarios. Can this phone handle full-day vlogging plus gaming plus editing? How does it compare with the flagship it nearly matches? Is it still significantly cheaper? Show side-by-side benchmarks, camera tests, battery endurance, and real-world usage. For the audience, these translate into practical insights rather than just flat numbers. When crafting the actual article script for your video, lead with the story hook, mid-range phone, flagship dreams. Then walk through display right pointing arrow performance right pointing arrow camera right pointing arrow battery right pointing arrow design right pointing arrow verdict. Use simple transitions. Now let's talk about the camera, and inject your personality. What surprised you, what disappointed? Incorporate chapters in the video description. 0-100 intro, 145 display test, 430 camera samples, etc., and use visual cutaways of footage you capture. In the end, your call to action can engage viewers. Will you pick this over a full flagship? Comment below. Invite viewers to subscribe for upcoming hands-on or full review once the phone launches globally. With the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G offering such a rich mix of features, your YouTube article and corresponding video can ride the wave of excitement and deliver value as soon as the device hits the market.